Hi explorers, welcome back to our channel Pramida. Today we are not at your ordinary farm. Why? Because this place is a stunning citrus farm tucked away between majestic mountaintops. The natural beauty of this place is simply breathtaking. This citrus farm is a 1-hour drive from the Sydney city. This gravel road may be a little rough around the edges, but it is surrounded by thriving natural beauty. The farm is also home to a variety of friendly animals such as goats, hens, and cows. It's a wonderful opportunity to connect with nature and see these animals up close. Here we are. First stop, lemons. Lemons are scattered all over the grass under the tree. Raindrops sparkle on the lemon skin, making them look like miniature suns. The contrast between yellow and green is beautiful. The lemons seem to glow in the rain, creating a serene and vibrant sense. It's a moment of simple joy, a reminder to appreciate the little things in life. I'm enjoying my adventure so far because today nature has added an extra layer of beauty, the rain. Walking through the farm in the rain is peaceful. The scent of wet earth and citrus fills the air. The sound of the rain is calming. The paths are wet and squelchy under my feet. The greenery is vibrant and fresh. The mountain mist rolls in and wraps around the trees. The mist hides and reveals the mountain's beauty, making it seem mysterious and powerful. It's a reminder of nature's magic and wonder. The rain makes the oranges look special, like they are glowing. The rain brings a sense of calm to the farm. The oranges glow with a warm golden hue, like a sunset on a summer evening. The owner of this farm monitors what we are doing to make sure we don't waste any oranges. There is nothing like experiencing the sweetness and juiciness straight from nature. One of the highlights of our visits was picking our own fresh citrus fruits right from the trees. We searched for oranges, finding juicy ones in the green leaves. Rainy days make orange trees shine. Green leaves sparkle with raindrops. It's a beautiful sight, full of color and light. My brother drags a ladder into the trees and picks vibrant red oranges. tossing them into the basket. This is me and my brother picking sweet, juicy oranges. Cherry blossoms bloom in the green farm, their pink flowers swaying gently. The blue misty sky above creates a beautiful backdrop. The farm is transformed into a colorful heaven, with the cherry blossoms adding a touch of magic. Their delicate beauty is fleeting, making the scene even more special. If we did not pick any citrus fruits, then we can buy some they have already picked. There is also mountain honey available. We fell in love with this misty mountain farm. It is our new happy place and we can't wait to come back. Leaving was hard, but we'll come back with every chance we'll get. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed our adventure in this mesmerizing citrus farm. We'll come up with another adventure. Until then, stay happy!